How would you define Nord Security as a brand and a team?
As a brand, it is clean and innovative and no way boring. As a team, I would say we aren't really fluffy creatures. We are bold and straightforward.
All-time favorite movie?
It's Youth by Paula Sorrentino or any film created by this cinema genius.
Your biggest volleyball achievement?
Should be some medals in Lithuanian women national championships, although I do believe that the biggest achievement is to have the sport you fall in love for the whole life.
Secret recipe for leading a successful team?
Finding the superpower of each team member and focus all effort on that.
Your favorite app and why?
It's Vivino because it helps to find the best wine.
The number one thing that you learned at Nord Security?
The first one was to listen, the second one is to listen, and the third one, move a mountain when you are really ready for a change.
What's the last photo you took on your phone? What is the story behind it?
It's the picture of training of beach volleyball court outside. We called it survival games because it was 31 degrees outside and almost impossible to play.
What was the biggest challenge you faced at Nord?
I think the first one was to create the visual identity for Nord Security umbrella brand and to align it with all Nord products look. And the second one was to start building employer brand in Berlin's market.
Most common comms mistake that businesses make, in your opinion?
Underestimate the power of employees' word.
How do you see the Nord Security brand in 5 years?
Nord Security will be a top of mind brand for cybersecurity or even a synonym of cybersecurity.
What's the smartest thing you've ever done?
Had a chance to start my own fashion startup and then had a chance to close it at the right time.